Right viewers, what you're seeing at the moment is obviously wood, and it is a door which I got out from the skip that was out in the road a few months ago. And I'm going to new project, an N gauge layout, model railway. Got the end starter track set there. I've bought some medium radius points as well for when I extend the layout. This is just a basic setup, and with the set you get a plan book. Tells you all about the trackage system there. Platforms and stuff like that. How to do basic scenery, which is very simple. Then you go on to like the layouts here. All the parts are numbered. That'd be a huge layout there. So viewers, I've just set the track up. I've got my little engines out, which I've had for about 2 years, only run them about once. Got a little Great Western one there, with a couple of ballast wagons and an empty truck on the back. And in the siding I've got the first Great Western passenger type loco, and it is the class 153380 first Great Western. So let's see how she runs, this little one here, this little green one. Awesome viewers. It runs fine. I'll just flip the points, take them into the siding. Maybe cut those little trucks there, siding's not long enough. Close that set. So viewers, this will be the start of a new N gauge layout, and the scenery is going to be totally different from this one, from the normal summer scenes you see. It's going to be a totally winter snowbound scene. So there it is folks, this whole door will be filled with track. So got to start drawing up a plan. So all the engines have to be snowified, so it looks like they've got ice and frost on them for this layout. So viewers, until I start actually building it and track laying, see you soon viewers.